Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 best work from home jobs for 2022. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which will happen any day now. So without further ado, let me go to this first website. Alright guys, I'm at the first website. The name of this website is Flex Jobs. And what you're going to look for is virtual assistant. Now that's a good work at home job that you can start anytime. You don't have to have a degree or anything like that to be a virtual assistant. All you have to do is know how to read and write, really. And so what I did was I searched for virtual assistant, and all these jobs popped up. They're all full-time, so you can work from anywhere. And all of them pay from $19 to $20 an hour. Like this one right here. This, as you can see, this was only part-time. And I'm sorry guys, this one right here is only in Canada and US. But they have others that are all around the country, guys. Because like this one right here at the top, work from anywhere. Now, as you can see right here, this one says pays $22 an hour. And check out this one. This one from $22 to $25 an hour. So you can make some good money being a virtual assistant. And really, most of these virtual assistants, all you're going to be doing is some social media type of things, like posting pictures for people, answering questions for people, answering DMs, answering emails, doing those simple type of things that a lot of people and a lot of companies, they don't have time to do. Even though the things are simple, but they can just hire somebody to do that, so it won't take up their time looking through emails or posting pictures or anything of that nature. So if you want to go ahead and become a virtual assistant, go ahead and go to Flex Jobs, sign up there, and search for virtual assistant. Now let me go to the second site. Alright guys, I'm at the second site, and the name of this site is Open English. Now this site, you're going to be teaching people English. So enjoy teaching English. Work with us. We are hiring EFL professionals dedicated to educational success. Join our team of online teachers and be part of our students' success stories. You just click right here to apply. So we are the leading online English company in Latin America. Take a look at our brands. And they have this Open English, which is for they teach adults. This one right here, Open English Junior, where you're going to teach kids from 8 to 14. And then you got Open English Centers. As a remote teacher for Open English Centers, you will teach interactive group classes to students attending our popular learning centers. Now, we have changed lives of more than 1 million people, guys. And check out this. Work from home with flexible hours. So work from home or your travel location, enjoy flexible hours and work around life's surprises with our shift drop and pickup process. Get experience teaching students from different parts from South America. Earn more money working in the evenings or on weekends. Teach with developed lesson plans. Participate within our robust teacher hub and communicate with colleagues with our large teaching community. Now, what they're looking for. So they're looking for EFL professionals, and really that what they're saying, people that know how to speak English. Say must provide at least 10 hours of availability each week. Teaching experience. So if you have just a little teaching experience, that's fine, but you don't have to have a degree, and you need to have a microphone and webcam, and not only speak in English. If you know how to speak Spanish or Portuguese, that's a plus. Alright guys, so that's all I'm going to say about this website. So if you like teaching and you want to help people learn English, this is the website for you. So go ahead and go to openenglish.com and apply. Alright, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about either one of these websites. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, one more thing before I go. I would like to do shout outs, and the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment, really appreciate it. Please keep checking out my videos, share my videos if you've been sharing them, and hit that like button. Alright guys, thanks again, really appreciate your support. Let's keep growing, let's go, let's get it. 7,000 subscribers, here we come. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.